Hello and welcome back to the channel. First of all, I just want to say thank you for watching all my videos. For those people who give a like, a share and subscribe, so I just have to say thank you. Today we have a Galaxy A50 against OnePlus 7 Pro. Probably many of you are gonna say that is not a fair speed test, but probably some of you got this A50 and probably some of you got this OnePlus 7 Pro, and maybe you want to see this type of videos. I just have to say that before to start this, there is nothing on the background, and there's no Zen mode, no game mode and fanatic mode on 7 Pro, and not even 90 Hz refresh rate on 7 Pro. It's just gonna be a fair test, just normal, no animation, turn it off or on for any of these phones. So just install the apps and games and just gonna run it and see how fast they're gonna open all of this. So we're gonna start with the first apps. Like usual, this is my stock apps for speed test. So yeah, this is a big heart for you. Okay, let's start with the first one, which is Play Store on 3, 2, 1. Okay, 7 Pro and A50 was, I don't want to say in the same time, was quite good. Okay, settings on 3, 2, 1. Okay, 7 Pro and then right after A50. Okay, we got YouTube on 3, 2, 1. Okay, seems that I haven't turned off my Wi-Fi, and let's do this YouTube test again. Okay, so YouTube on 3, 2, 1. Okay, 7 Pro and then A50. Let's move on the next one on 1, 2, 3. Okay, 7 Pro again, eBay on 3, 2, 1. Okay, 7 Pro and then A50, calendar on 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's move on. Aliexpress on 3, 2, 1. 7 Pro and A50. It's not that bad. A50 is not quite fast, but it's right behind the 7 Pro. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 7 Pro and then A50 speed test on 3, 2, 1. Okay, 7 Pro and then A50. We're just gonna start the test, see a quick speed test on the internet connection. I just have to say that 7 Pro is coming with a Snapdragon 855 on the 7 nanometers, and on the other side we got an Exynos 9610 on 10 nanometers. So yeah, it's quite a big difference, but seems that A50 it's right behind, so it's not that bad. Let's test A50 speed test on internet, which many of you complain about the speed test. And look at this, it's quite equal with 7 Pro, so it's not that bad. So yeah, A50 is coming after the Wi-Fi update, so maybe it's an improvement on internet connection, and seems to be quite well. Look at this, great for A50. Okay, let's move on. The next one, it's Untitled benchmark on 3, 2, 1, and you're gonna see the score for each phone. Wow, amazing. 144 against 373. It's huge for OnePlus 7 Pro. Move on the games, start with Angry Birds on 3, 2, 1. Okay, okay, so 7 Pro and then Galaxy 50. Yeah, all right, let's wait and let's move on. Minion on 3, 2, 1. Okay, we can start this one and then the other one, and of course OnePlus 7 Pro was faster on this game. Yeah, right after A50. Okay, let's move on. Iron Blade on 3, 2, 1. Okay, 7 Pro, the first one on this test, and A50 right after a few seconds. Okay, let's move on the next one. No limits on 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look. OnePlus 7 Pro seems to be the first one, followed by A50. And let's have a look. Connecting to the server. And 7 Pro. Yeah. Quite late for A50. So we can play the game now? Yes, we can play the game now, and A50 would be quite late. Come on, A50. Probably A50 would be better on the background, keeping the apps. Maybe not. Okay, 1, 2, 3 for the modern combat, and let's have a look. This is the last game. Okay. All right. Let's move quick now to see which one is keeping the apps on the background. So let's start again with Play Store. 1, 2, 3. 7 Pro 1, 2, 3. Settings. 7 Pro 1, 2, 3. 7 Pro. eBay. 7 Pro again. Calendar. 7 Pro. Wow, no chance for A50. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 7 Pro again. Speed test. Untitled. 7 Pro again. Game time. So seems that both of the phones are opening the games again, which we've seen on A60 and on Galaxy S10 Plus, that the games are running straight away from where you left, so you can resume the game. 1, 2, 3. Okay, was faster again on 7 Pro. Let's move on the last 3. 1, 2, 3. We can resume the game right here, and A50 it's behind. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Oh, no limits. Yeah, it's bad that if you keep the game on the background, you have to start again and play, not like on A60 to just play straight away from where you left, resuming the game. Yeah. Maybe on the last game? No, not even on the last one. Okay, so this is it. OnePlus 7 Pro, it's much faster. It's quite faster than Galaxy S. No, it's not an S, it's Galaxy A50 on every apps and games. So did A50 open just a few apps. But yeah, this is the test. Galaxy A50 did not beat 7 Pro on the apps and games test. So yeah, this is so powerful. It's a powerful phone, even if it doesn't came with all that fanatic modes and Zen modes, game modes enabled. Yeah, you'll say it was not a fair test, but many of you want to see this video test about opening the apps and games. Make your own opinion, leave a comment in the section if you want, and again give it a big like, share if you want, and subscribe also. So thank you for watching, and see you again on the next video.